Welcome to PRISCI-ANTO Educational Academy. Prove that f of ax is equal to 1 by a f of s by a. So answer is, first you have to write the Fourier transform of f of x, which is equal to 1 divided by root 2 pi integral over the limit minus infinity to plus infinity f of x e power isx into dx, which is equal to f of s. Why we are writing f of s? That means here is s, so that's why we are writing f of s. If here is s plus a, we have to write f of s plus a. If here is s by a, we have to write f of s by a. So therefore, capital F of small f of ax. So instead of f of x, here is ax, f of ax. So 1 divided by root 2 pi integral minus infinity to plus integral over the limit minus infinity to plus infinity f of ax e power isx into dx. Okay, so here instead of f of x, here is ax, so that's why I am taking ax is equal to t. So this gives x is equal to t by a. X is equal to t by a. So next step you can write as, which is equal to a into dx, which is equal to dt. So dx is equal to dt divided by a. Okay, when x is equal to minus infinity, what is it? T is equal to minus infinity. When x is equal to plus infinity, what is it? T is equal to plus infinity. So therefore, in the next step, you can substitute. So capital F of small f of ax, which is equal to 1 divided by root 2 pi integral over minus infinity to plus infinity f of, instead of ax, t e power I s, what is x? T divided by a into, what is it? Dx dt divided by a. So every value we have substituted. So next step is, which is equal to, so capital F of left hand side is small f of ax, which is equal to 1 by root 2 pi integral over the limit minus infinity to plus infinity f of t e power I s by a into t into dt divided by a. So therefore, the next step you can write as, which is equal to 1 by a into 1 by root 2 pi integral over the limit minus infinity to plus infinity f of t e power I s by a t into dt, which is equal to, here is s by a, so therefore 1 by a f of s by a. So this is the answer.